Where are we at?
Whiteland.
This is the Whiteland, coming up on Whiteland exit. This is the second semi that we've seen in a ditch. And look at all of that debris from, oh my gosh, I don't even know what we're getting ready to drive over. That was a warehouse, I think. This whole area is a wasteland. Oh my gosh. There's literally siding and insulation everywhere. Really hope that that was an empty warehouse. Alright, we are, fortunately we're getting close to home here, so just wanted everybody to see what's happening out there. Hope everybody's safe.